It can be seen at the start of the video that Gen Bus 1 has already been powered on, allowing ground power to the aircraft. At this point, Gen Bus 2 is activated and you can see there is a red attention getter, which is then cancelled. Inverter 1 is now activated and you can see on the right hand side of the screen the compass and the artificial horizon for the pilot both activate. Inverter 2 is now activated and you can see on the left hand side of the screen the artificial horizon for the co-pilot now activates.
That one's powering up. We've lost our inverter 2 on here.
Inverter 3 is now activated and you're looking to see the VG1 and the VG2 go out on the CWP. This may take some time as the gyros spool up.
When they get up to speed,
when they do spool up,
as well,
the red flag on the artificial horizon on the pilot side of the display goes away.
There's the generator,